This is the brief on control flow in Python. Today, we're jumping into a programming lesson that explains how control flow acts as your computer's brain, basically transforming a static list of commands into a smart, dynamic flowchart that reacts to the real world instead of just, blindly reading a script. First, the core mechanism boils down to three simple steps. Your code evaluates a condition, makes a decision, and then executes an action. Now, you might be wondering, why does our code need to do this? Well, think of it kind of like a bouncer at a club. They evaluate your ID, decide if it's valid, and then execute the action of actually opening the door. Second, to make those decisions, Python uses specific commands called if, elif, which literally just stands for else if, and else. These handy little keywords let your program run completely different blocks of code depending on the exact situation it encounters. Finally, sometimes a single decision just isn't enough, right? You've got to repeat actions using for loops and while loops, which can be combined with those conditionals to solve super complex problems. So what's the difference between the two loops? Well, a for loop is like running a set number of laps around a track, whereas a while loop is more like running while you still have energy. It just keeps going, stopping as soon as the condition is no longer true. Ultimately, by combining these decision-making commands with repeating loops, control flow becomes the fundamental logic that makes your Python programs truly intelligent and adaptable.